crowd has gathered. Out it comes. A wobbling kick it is. Almost out on the full. Leaving it behind for the halfback and dropping it back, but good hands there and slammed back on his own back was Lysias Saisai, but Rewa maintaining possession. A cut out pass on the fine and overlap it is Rewa finding the gap as he runs through. He goes away from everybody and flicks it right back like a seven-shot player, leaves it behind. Rewa on the attacking prowess. Will it be difficult in terms of distance and accuracy? It would be. Or is the Veitokani? Right footer, giving about 4 meters between himself and strikes it beautifully. Got the distance, dropping round in front of the crossbar, but actually dropping it short territory. But Rewa walking beautifully. A cut out pass, it is very dangerous, but beautifully collected once again. An inside pass, and it is a high tackle and another advantage given to Rewa there. Comes right in and strikes it beautifully. Got the distance. What about the accuracy? Yes, he has done that. Out it comes, Rewa, beautifully collected, intercepted there by Navosa, but the referee said he was offside. He strikes it beautifully, gets the distance and the accuracy as well, as Rewa runs away with a 6 points lead, and a intercepted run there by Navosa, flicking it right in, caught in possession, leaving that ball behind, and Navosa, out it goes, offloading, and where is the support? There it is, the referee allows it to go, he almost running and dumping, being dumped heavily there. Navosa coming out, but Rewa with smothering tackles. Oh, what a beauty from Rewa. The defense it is as they try to come back right in. Wrong option, I would say. They had more people to the open side, and they're still coming on to the blind side. And Navosa had the support there. Counteract by Rewa. The ball being left behind. Out it goes. Standing flat. Almost accidental oversight. Caught in possession. And Rewa running up and rushing into the face of Navosa. A cut-out pass once again. It's an overlap, but he opts to come right in and knocking that ball forward. Was the fullback? It was Navosa's fullback, Penyon Nayaya. But a penalty has been given to Navosa right on the 20th minute. He strikes it beautifully and splits the upright. It is Navosa now trailing at 3 points to 6. They recycle it, what a beauty. And now it goes to Raoma. Raoma turns the other way around and gives it out to the wing, cuts out from the first tackle, and a high tackle once again from one of the locks, and a yellow card being flashed at this point in time. This would be a blessing for Rewa. They sense the danger, they go in. And they are mixing up on the front, well distribution there from the Rewa side. They have a lot of their forwards in the back line to allow them for that pick and drive. Navosa come hard at them, playing with 14 men. Pick and drive it is, and out it goes. Watakao there, number 8. And picked up. Oh, that was unfortunate, and it will be a penalty once again. Additional 3 points right on the 38th minute, and they lead by 9 points to 3. Rewa, very confident. Got advantage given there to Navosa. A pick and drive it is, going through the middle, leaving that ball behind, from it into Araka. Come on, he has to speed up with that delivery, and inside pass it is. The tall guy goes in, and Navosa goes in for their first try. Oh, what a beauty, the support play from the Navosa team. And he has done that beautifully. And the referee has pointed right in midfield. That will be the end of first half. Out it comes, a short one it is, and dropping it almost on the 22-meter mark. And Rewa working together, leaving that ball behind, almost lost on that occasion. Another high tackle it is from Navosa, and that would definitely mean another yellow card. Would this be the third yellow card? Definitely it has to be a card, and it goes in. Now back to 13 men. Picked up there by Rewa, claimed in possession, and they go towards the Granson side of the field of play. A kick across it is, and Raoma held in the tackle and ripped off there by the Navosa side, and a quick step there from Rewa. They know that they can go in for a try, and they do. There is some beauty from Rewa. Vetokani from the grandson side of the Philippines. A good strike it is. He's going to split the post and he does that really well. And they leave it behind to be recycled once again, cautioning the Rewa side, the referee walking towards them. But the Nabosa side, lost forward it is, but a penalty for using their hand in the rack. And if I was to be the captain of Nabosa, I'll go in for those 3 points. But they've gone in for tap, and Nabosa has gone in for try. I'll have to take back my word for that. Mani Moritobo, a good strike it is. Now they are back in the lead of this game in the second half. And to put it in is Korobisau. The Nabosa forwards are pushing them back and pinning from the base of the scrum and running through Raoma. Raoma goes for the corner flag. Raoma runs away from everybody and shows that it was a try before. It was not a fluke. And Raoma has gone in for the first try. And an attempt kick there from Vetokani. And the flags go up as well. It will be a quick tap for Nabosa. It has to, because they couldn't control everything. Out it comes Nabosa. It's a tap and drive there from Nabosa. Not a good pass. As a counter pass it is right on the far end and stripping back and cutting back right in as they look for support. They inch their way through and running hard. Nabosa 5 away from the try line. They're walking as a unit now and recycling towards the grandson side of the field of play. They rush through. Will he be taken out? He squeezes his way in and the referee has he comes in with his drive and strikes it beautifully. Will he send it between the posts? He does, and he has gone in with that conversion. Out it comes once again. A dummy there from the new number 8 comes back right in and still breathing in pain is Nabosa player. And it will be an overlap right on the far end, but the folding defense comes across. Cutting back right in. Rewa, offload Raoma, and out it goes on the far end. And a big tackle it is. Being held there right now, almost on the 32-meter mark. They recycle it. Rewa waiting, a poor pass it is, but collected beautifully. Out it goes. He should offload now. Comes back right in. Oh, what a beauty. It's just like watching the Bawanga going towards the Azawas as we have the Rewa team coming up once again on the 5-meter mark. And Rewa, they are cheering. They know that they can turn this opportunity into a try. And once again to recycling. It's a pick and drive from the base of the rock. Working together. Short ones to the left. Now to the right. Advantage been given there to Rewa. And working hard. They just need to bring it to the left-hand side to create more space towards the blind so that they can use their big forwards. He can drive there from Rewa. Now it goes. Korobisau. Oh, must be sun-blinded. And out it goes. It will be an overlap right on the far end. And Rewa will run away. But the referee has totally just denied that. And Vetokani will try and kick it once again. And will this be the last passage of play today? Comes in and strikes it beautifully, and Vetokani sends it between the posts, and Vetokani jumps in victory and has just kicked Nabosa out from this competition.